Hello Fam Jam! How you guys are doing?
We hope you're doing good.
So this is a video of our first trip ever. And
actually for Jagu it was very first trip because he has never been outside of Tamil Nadu. Can you guys believe? Isn't it like a record?
So it's called a trip to Mysore. From Mysore we moved to Coorg.
Yes, we actually went for Coorg and we hired this bike from Mysore. I'm saying brum, 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 brum. That's all I'm saying here.
So from Mysore we are traveling to Coorg by using the vehicle which we hired, and she's driving for almost like 40 minutes and then I had to drive it. In between we stopped in a tea stall and it was so tasty.
Yes, this is the best tea ever. And the route was so amazing and the climate, it was so chill and nice. We really enjoyed the trip actually.
Though you can see quite a lot of sun over there, but it's not how it looks.
And the best part, the first part is the best part always. And this is the spot which we chose at the very beginning because we never wanted to miss it. The architecture was amazing.
Not only the architecture, the detailing and the decoration.
Look at these statues. It's really amazing and beautiful view. It's really worth a visit. One of the best places we ever went.
And in the Tibetan monastery we spent some time and we were like capturing the details like paintings, statues and the surroundings.
And this is the modeling of the entire place, and that's the temple, I think. This temple, yes.
And we took some good pictures over there, and
the lighting was amazing, by the way. It wasn't feeling hot, it was sunny as well, which is the best weather.
So this trip is completely planned by her, and everything has been organized by her itself, and it's like a budget trip, but we enjoyed a lot and it was so amazing. And
I couldn't resist taking picture with those cute kids. And this is the area outside the monastery, and there is a shop actually where you need to definitely eat their momos. This shop, we do not know the name actually, we forgot, but it's quite famous. You can Google and check it out. Do not go for a meal that is thukpa, you can see in this picture. It wasn't good.
And in the evening we went to the park which is near to our
hotel. And it was very near to our hotel. We were staying in Kodag.
And it's like a park inside which has the Kaveri river, like a park which has the river.
And actually the Kaveri river was there, and they built a park because of it. It was wonderful actually. We went there just to relax because it was our first day. We didn't want to do something heavy. But when we went there and saw, there were a lot of things to do. Like you can see the bridge itself is so Instagram-genic, and also the surrounding, the trees. It has a lot of things like deers, and the tree is very good. The complete ambience was really good, and the best part is yet to come. There was also a tree house, which we will show now.
And this is the tree house. They like built it on near to a tree, not on the tree.
And it is not as easy as it looks to climb it. It did take some effort actually for me to climb it.
because she has to carry her weight.
And actually this complete video, it was not planned. We were just recording ourselves because we were traveling. It was not a planned vlog or something, because it was done almost a year before. Not a year before.
No, in the month of January.
Thank God, before the lockdown.
Don't go that side.
And here comes the best part of the park, which is the Kaveri river. The water was like up to the ankle, but the rocks were very slippery.
The water is so clean and it is so cold actually.
It was an amazing experience. Actually, I saw a lot of people slipping there, so I was really scared. See, even here he's calling me and I'm like...
So I'm trying to take her to the other side of this river, but she's completely scared. So we had some time in that park and then we are leaving now. And once after we left the park, right outside of this park, we found a good place.
Actually, outside the park, it's like a fair. So this is one of the shop which you'll find everywhere with chocolates and coffees. Ranges are like, price ranges differs actually.
And it was really smelling like a chocolate coffee.
Yes, there is something called chocolate coffee, by the way. So this is one of the best place we went. And the next one, if you see this mouse, we were not even aware that the mouse had given birth. And see how cute they are. Oh, Bulbul. Oh, Bulbul. So this is the place where it's a bird sanctuary actually, and they also have aquarium and these little mice.
Oh, she was really not aware of this fish. It's a tank cleaner. No, I used to call it as a tank cleaner, but I'm not sure about the real name.
God, I really thought the name was tank cleaner. So this is what the place is about. You take the bird food in hand and the birds will come and sit in your hand. Amazing experience, guys. I know most of you would have already done this. If you haven't, wherever you find such a sanctuary, please go and try it. It's wonderful experience.
It's like a lovebird eating some grains in her hand, and it's a reasonable price actually.
And if you're an animal lover, you will definitely enjoy it. I did.
You can see how nicely she is enjoying. It's not actually she's enjoying, she's scared of those things.
And then I'm taking some pictures for my Instagram, which I haven't uploaded yet. So if you haven't visited my Instagram account, here is the handle. And here's the handle for Jaggu. And some more fishes. And this fish is a discus fish because it looks like discus. I think so.
It's shark fish.
They are so kissable. and the alligator, my favorite one. Nice acting. And I found a piranha as well.
She is bluffing. There is no piranha over there.
You will see.
So this is like a Shinshan, like in cartoon when a person is hitting, there will be some bulge thing in the head.
See, this is the piranha fish I'm talking about.
It's not piranha.
And the day 2 of the trip, we are going towards Madikeri, and the route was really amazing. You guys can see how it looks. Actually, it is not capturing the trees well.
Trees are so huge and so tall actually, because it's like a wild tree.
They were humongous. Yes, they are so wild.
So this is the falls which we came across Madikeri, and it's not so much big, like little bit of water is coming, but still people are looting some water over there. This is a viewpoint. We didn't expect to come here. Actually Google fooled us to this place, but it's kind of good, and it was really amazing, and you guys can see it.
It was covered by trees, so we couldn't get the view properly. And here is a beautiful bungalow. They had 2 dogs as well, very cute.
And it was so cold, and it was like the wind was so chill as well. I was not able to remove that jacket for even a 10 maybe like 5 seconds. It was so cold.
This comes from a person who has never been outside of Tamil Nadu, so you can guess, guys. Of course, nowhere, wherever he's going, it will be chill for him.
So this is some old fort. It was not so good actually. They didn't let us inside the fort, like we just roam around the wall. So we are going to visit her ancestors and...
Shut up, you were saying the same thing while we were going down. That's why I'm laughing. And this is the best viewpoint. It is New Madikeri's viewpoint, and here is where we were cutting the cake.
We expected this place should be like green, because that's what...
Yes, this trip was planned for Jaggu's birthday, by the way. It was a gift from my side.
It was really good, and I really enjoyed it. The person who never been outside of Tamil Nadu, it was like wow.
Many more to go, guys. Keep watching.
Because we planned to do more travelings together and enjoy some good time.
These are some shots of Raja Seat and Abbey Falls. We don't recommend these 2 spots. We didn't enjoy that much there. And we are going back to Mysore. We planned this one, which is the Outback Adventures, in our hotel room. It was all of a sudden and worth a visit.
Because
wonderful.
We had some time in our hands, so we were looking what to do next, and we checked and we found this place. It was really good.
We spent so much time here that we missed the chance to visit the Mysore Palace. Sad.
Actually, we took a lot of videos over here, but unfortunately those videos got deleted in my phone.
Which makes me cry. that, we are done. We are in the station waiting for our train. And thank you so much guys for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and comment what you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye bye,
guys.